Okay, so nasan tayo ngayon? Siyempre, Ducati Manila. Ating first PMS nung Scrambler Icon 2G. So, siyempre, pag first PMS, importante yan. Normally, that's the first 1,000 or the first 6 months. So, dapat mapa-PMS mo na to. Okay? So, tingin-tingin muna tayo. Pero other than that, medyo talagang mapapabudol ka rito. Eh. Ayan, grabe. Sandali, tingnan nyo mabuti. Ayan, di ba? Paano ba naman ang hirap magpigil ng sarili pag ganyan yung mga nakikita mo? Grabe talaga. Ano ba naman yan? Tapos ito, syempre, ang ating mga Ducati Scramblers, oh, with apparel. Okay? So if you have time, visit Ducati Katipunan. Very customizable yung mga scrambler eh. So yan. Pwede mong palitan yan, yung kanilang panel sa may tank. Tapos ito. Yan, pati yung sa may likuran, malapit doon sa tail light. And this one, yung kanilang front wheel. So dami. I think for other countries, meron talagang separate area for scrambler. And we also have it here in Ducati Manila. So if you're planning of getting one, and you feel like this is the right time to get one, so visit the Red Planet. Pogi nito, diba? Suomi, ganda. So Ducati version, ito nakita ko kanina, ang gaan nito at ang ganda. Ano? Also made by Suomi. Mga helmet na yan, ang laking budol din yan. So ito pa sa likod, yan. Hindi mo tuloy alam kung ano uunahin mo. So they have two versions here. Black would be somehow a limited edition. Yun yata is Desert X. Desert X Rally. Okay? Diba? Panalong ganda. Alright, so that's it for now. Bago pa tayo ma-traffic, okay? So, they're preparing the bike. I think it's all ready. Bigyan na lang natin yung gate pass. But other than that, I think we're all good. So, silipin na lang natin kung magkano. Pakita ko sa inyo yung breakdown na pinalitan, pati yung oil. So, again, first 1,000, first PMS. Kailangan yan. It's mandatory. So, huwag nyo kakalimutan kasi maapektuhan yung warranty. Okay? So, be safe guys. This is AGM. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers!